Luxury today doesn't mean adding more. It means arriving to a home where the decisions have already been made beautifully.
Because when your time matters, nothing should feel unfinished. And that's where Metropolitan Construction stands out.
This home sits at one of the highest points in Legends Ridge. The air is quieter, the views stretch farther, and the home just sits differently.
And Metropolitan used that, pulling those views into nearly every room in the house.
This is what it looks like when a builder gets it right. This is 692 Legends Crest.
In Franklin, buyers are always drawn to homes that really capture their setting. And here, you feel that immediately. The view isn't saved just for the back. It's brought right into the dining room. So even your more formal moments still feel connected to the landscape.
And then the kitchen. This is where the craftsmanship becomes clear. That marble hood is a single slab, an incredibly difficult detail to execute well. And then the island. The soft curve carries through the countertops, giving the marble a quieter, more refined feel. It's subtle, but it changes the entire space.
And just behind it, you have the scullery, which, if you entertain it all, you know how valuable this space is. Everything happens back here. Prep, cleanup, storage, all tucked away. So out front, it just feels easy. No juggling, no overflow, no one seeing what's not meant to be seen.
This may be one of the most quietly impactful spaces in the home. A glass box, windows on all three sides, all looking out over the pool and the hillside. So even something simple like your morning cup of coffee feels like you're sitting in the middle of the view.
And the living room is where things really start to connect. You've got the white shiplap ceilings with these heavier wood beams, which gives the space structure without making it feel heavy. And then the built-ins flanking the fireplace are the same wood tone carried from the kitchen. So as you move through the home, it all feels cohesive. Nothing feels like it was chosen in isolation.
And when you step outside, it feels like a natural extension of the interior. The patio lines up directly with the living spaces. Outdoor kitchen, dining, fire feature, all exactly where you want them. And then it opens up even more. The spa is elevated and centered with integrated stepping stones cutting across the pool. You've got built-in lounge areas, and the putting green is positioned to take full advantage of the view. So whether it's an hour outside or the whole afternoon, everything about it feels easy.
The office is one of those spaces that could have been overlooked, but wasn't. With direct access to the balcony, this entire room is oriented toward the view, keeping even this space connected to the landscape beyond.
The primary suite feels tucked away from the rest of the house in the best possible way. Peaked ceilings, soft natural light, and direct patio access keep the space feeling open while still completely private. In the primary bath and closet, the home feels even more tailored to the luxury buyer. A spacious shower, a built-in vanity, and a custom showcase closet designed to feel elevated, but also incredibly usable day to day. The second floor includes 3 ensuite bedrooms, each one positioned to capture a different perspective of the view. A subtle reminder that even the guest spaces were given the same level of attention as the rest of the home.
And downstairs, the home takes on a more relaxed, entertainment-driven feel. A full family lounge anchors the space, alongside a temperature-controlled wine room, fully integrated into the design. So whether it's a casual night or a full gathering, everything you need is already here.
The home also includes a full gym with dedicated space already planned for a sauna. A smart call from Metropolitan Construction, especially as wellness spaces become less of a bonus and more of an expectation in luxury homes.
And then the theater room, or golf simulator room, Complete with a full bar and surround sound, it's already designed for the experience.
What really stands out about this home is what you don't have to do.
No updates, no reworking, and no second guessing.
That's Metropolitan Construction, and we'd like to thank them for letting us share their incredible home with you.
And if this feels like your kind of living, we'd love to help you explore what that could look like.
If you love seeing homes like this, make sure you're subscribed because there's always another picture-perfect home right around the corner.